Let your kitchen be your pharmacy, and let your medicine be your meal. We talk about that every day. So right now, much late applied what we say. So right now, we are in our kitchen, and together we are going to produce four nutraceutical. That four nutraceutical will help us to resolve our problem. Welcome to Objective Santé, your well-being channel. Will allow you to discover garlic and all its virtues to help us to be better and to live better. I'm Dr. Nature. I'm going to discover healthy medicine. If you apply them, you will be better and you will live a long time happy during your state in that road. So together today, we are going to produce four nutraceuticals, and that four medicine will help us to be better. So from your kitchen. So all of things we are here are from our kitchen. Here we have our oil, that's water, that is alcohol. So we are going to make our medicine with alcohol, we'll do medicine with water, we'll do our medicine with honey, and we'll do with oil. So from your sickness, you will know how to do in order to treat yourself. So whatever the name you will say, whatever your sickness, you will be able to make your nutraceutical and be able to carry yourself. So you can use all in order to beautify your body. So when you prepare your garlic with oil, beet oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, peanut oil. You will help to have a beautiful skin and to fight against the joint sickness. When you use honey to make your medicine, you'll be able to resolve all your cough problems. If you use the water, you put garlic in the water, you are able to resolve all your diabetes sickness. You drink it and you go to check your breast blood in order to see if your medicine did something else. If you take alcohol and you put the only garlic inside, you'll be able to to treat your tooth decay. So before making our medicine, I asked who didn't know before. I ask you to subscribe in Objective Santé of Dr. Nature, and click on the bell in order to have the information on the other videos. I realize a lot of person watch our videos, but they are waiting for I don't know what exactly before subscribing in our videos, in our channel. I would like you to subscribe. I would like you to click on the bell, to click on the like in order to encourage me to do what I'm doing for you. So when you watch that video, I ask you to subscribe in our channel. So we'll sometime hear from our doctors if you are treating yourself with anticoagulant, it's not good for you to use garlic. Anyone who is on anticoagulant should not consume garlic. Why? If the medicine coming from a laboratory is an anticoagulant, if garlic is an anticoagulant, why do you leave this medication which has contraindications? So, if you are treating yourself with anticoagulant from the human being, from a laboratory, you have to leave that medicine and follow your treat yourself with garlic. Garlic are natural, and you have to choose it naturally. So use it. The garlic is natural, and you have to leave the medicine from the human being. So we are going to make our medicine. So I'm going to scrap out a quantity of garlic. I will use them to make my medicine with the other separate. So I don't care of pulp, stem, leaf, flowers. I will scrap all of them because we can use all of them. So don't avoid. You pay nothing from Dr. Nature when he say to cure yourself with your garlic, and I won't sell you garlic notes. You have to treat yourself in order to recover yourself. So I'm very happy to realize that you are better because you follow our advice. So you realize that the nature is a doctor. So I will scrap a lot of garlic in order to win time. So you realize that natural thing, which is garlic, is able to solve all our problem. Your general problem, hair problem, skin problem, teeth problem. You are able to use garlic to take care of yourself, to treat yourself. So you have to know there is never overdoses. The nature is able to help us. Our nature haven't any contraindication. The natural it follow you, and so you may be sure there is never overdoses. If you get out of the quantity you need, your organism will destroy the overdoses. So here I I scrap a lot of. So right now we are going to make our first medicine with oil. It's very easy. I take garlics and I put in the oil. Several kind of oil: beet oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, peanut oil, and also you can use it. There is no problem. Be, be quiet. So, so you can use garlic like a food or like a medicine. Here I finish. It's very, very easy to do it. So I let it regret through. So all the secret, all the nutrients which are in the garlic will get out of garlic and be in our oil. So after we'll finish to produce our medicine. Here, that medicine is able to for to your joint problem, your hair problem, your skin problem, your tooth problem. So I keep on. I'm going to scrap out a quantity for the second, our second medicine. If you make your scarlet as if your children says they smell, they don't like smell, you can use oil in order to make easy to have it. Here is the first medicine. So I want to talk about direction indication, because oil can solve several kind of sickness. So second step, here is the honey. I made videos on honest. We'll add garlic on our honey. That the second method, and it will help us to solve off our problem of left. So you see, it's very easy to make it. So we haven't to do something. So it will nature will help you in order to recover. So they will have themselves in order to be very strong to fight all against all our sickness. Here is the second step. It's very easy to make medicine from honey. The better honey we add garlic inside. It is very easy in order to solve off your problem of breath. So first step is here is water. It's the same thing. I'm going to scrap out a quantity of garlic. It's very easy. You can do it at home. There is nothing to do. There is anything you need spirituality. All the nutrients are inside, and you don't need something else in order to recover yourself with garlic. So garlic are on that world before all the prophets. So there is nothing to do. It's a natural. Here is a water. I put my garlic inside. It's the same thing. It's very easy to do. Do it at home. That water is able to destroy all your fat and to destroy all the sugar in your blood and to fight against diabetes. You will realize how to do to to treat all your diabetes. You put it in the water and in the morning you drink it. After 3 days, you go to check your blood in order to be sure that there is any sugar in your blood. And here is the lastest medicine. It's the same fee that is never new, and I'm going to scrap for the last to scrap out the quantity of garlic. It's easy to do it. So here I have a alcohol. I put my garlic in the alcohol. So the particularity of alcohol is stable. God is very instable, so it's very difficult to keep it a long time. When we use alcohol, we have to have its lifespan in limit. Alcohol remove all the secrets of garlic very quickly, but destroy them after. You have to go quickly to use that medicine quickly because of the power of alcohol. It destroyed after taking off all the nutrients, the sugar, and put it in the alcohol. That same alcohol is able to destroy all the nutrients inside. So here you realize that I use all because all is the support. Water is also the support. Honey is again the support, and at least I use alcohol in order to make our medicine. So in the end, you are diabetes. So don't believe that insulin transform your sugar into fat and store it in your liver and your muscles. So the sugar we are in your body, it cannot go out of you. They will set in your muscle and your liver. So that's why if you stop using insulin, the quantity of sugar will get out of and be in your blood, and you are able to have a diabetic coma. So our garlic is a natural insulin. It doesn't burn sugar, stop stay in the rubber, burn it, it will get all the sugar out of your organism from your perspiration, from your urinate, from your worms. So you are member of our channel. I say you have to fight against all the civilization disease. Use it, do it, and be quiet. You don't need me to do it. Right now, you can begin in order to recover yourself. Thank you very much. So you have to know my own goal to reach is your healthy body. I wish you healthy body and to live in the happy body. Thank you very much and see you for the next video.